Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Chef Shirley and today I will be showing you how to make a very delicious, hearty and warm British-based dish called Scouse. It's a very delicious meal that you can share with your whole family. So to make this yummy dish, you will need about 400 grams of beef cut into cubes, 1 large white onion diced, 4 large carrots sliced into medium-sized pieces, 4 large potatoes diced as well, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You could also use white pepper if you prefer, 2 bay leaves, and 1 beef cube. Most importantly, you will need some oil to start your cooking. So let's wash our hands and get started. So for the first step, pour about 30 ml of oil into a large saucepan or pot and allow to heat for a few seconds. Now for the next step, add your beef pieces into your hot oil and let it brown for a few seconds. Then season with salt and pepper. Now add the onion and continue to stir on medium heat. Now add your beef stock cube to 500 ml of hot water. This is a great homemade stock. Stir this until it's completely dissolved and then add to your pot and allow to boil for a few seconds. Now add your 2 bay leaves to your pot, stir, and cover to cook for about 1 hour. Now it's time to add your potatoes and carrots. Once this is added, give it a good stir and allow to cook for another 45 minutes to 1 hour with the lid off the pan so that it reduces and becomes nice and thick. Smells so delicious and it tastes even better. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you enjoyed this delicious meal with your family. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye bye.